Welcome back to my channel, Iraqi Dinar Data Update, where I share the latest news about the Iraqi dinar and Vietnamese dong. Let's dive into today's updates. Intel guru MarkZ, via PDK, shared that multiple sources in Iraq are excited about the ongoing education and discussions concerning the country's currency. Reports from government and banking employees highlight overwhelming conversations about the introduction of smaller notes, raising curiosity about their purpose in Iraq's financial system. Excitement grew when Prime Minister Sudani suggested a rate of 1.32, and this enthusiasm was amplified when the Central Bank of Iraq's governor recently hinted at the same figure. The Parliamentary Finance Committee recently met with the central bank to discuss monetary policy and banking reforms, focusing on ways to increase the dinar's value. Redemption centers are reportedly seeing rates populate, indicating upward trends, with fixed rates already displayed on bank screens. However, redemption centers may offer even better contract rates that could surprise and excite investors. Reports suggest that Iraqi officials, including Sudani, are signaling a shift from military ties with the U.S. to an economic focus, which could encourage the central bank to introduce lower denomination notes at currency exchange centers. Interestingly, exchange centers, mostly owned by a major player, Aeon, prioritize profit over politics, signaling economic motives behind these developments. Current program rates cannot sustain economic growth, and lifting the 3 zeros is being explained scientifically to the public. Many banks, previously skeptical, now acknowledge the significant wealth anticipated to flow through their branches, signaling a shift in tone. The Central Bank of Iraq has also begun broadcasting educational videos to prepare citizens for imminent changes. Public sentiment suggests strong anticipation, with minimal resistance and obstacles, and many now believe the exchange rate could settle between 1,200 and 1,320 dinars per dollar. Some speculate an international market entry rate of 1,320 dinars per dollar, potentially floating to 4.25, which would strengthen the dinar and boost Iraq's economy. As a personal note, I remain optimistic, holding millions of dinars with confidence in their future. Iraq's economy, currently losing billions due to OPEC oil production cuts, could benefit from an increased dinar value to stabilize and grow. Intel guru Frank 26 clarified that while FOREX is secondary, the Central Bank of Iraq remains the primary source for official exchange rate announcements. Newshound guru Claire highlighted Iraq's move to end its controversial dollar auctions, a significant reform marking reduced reliance on the U.S. dollar. This aligns with the central bank's timeline, with the dollar platform expected to close by late 2024. Militiaman emphasized Parliamentary Finance Committee calls for clear guarantees on oil exports, likely linked to establishing a specific exchange rate for stability. Intel guru Wolverine hinted at imminent developments, urging readiness, with many pointing to early January 2025 as pivotal. The central bank recently transitioned foreign transfers from its electronic platform to Iraqi banks, aligning with international standards and enhancing financial governance. This reform boosts foreign transfer efficiency, fosters global integration, and strengthens regional and international confidence in Iraq's banking system. The central bank also continues supporting Iraqi banks with diverse currency balances to ensure stability and attract investment. As of Wednesday, slight fluctuations in dollar exchange rates against the dinar were observed, with declines in Baghdad but slight rises in Erbil. These changes reflect ongoing adjustments as Iraq prepares for significant financial and economic shifts.